Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brenke, and today I'm going to be looking into this new noise that my C300 has developed. Thanks for joining me. So I have just completed a bunch of work on this car. Took it for a test drive, and there's a new noise coming from the back of the car. I don't know what it is quite yet. I'm going to have to pull it in, jack it up, take a look, and see what's going on. I've got a lot of other things that I completed on the car, a lot of other videos that I need to finish editing and get posted, but I thought it would be kind of fun to put this up and then have you guys take a listen, see what you think it is, and then put a comment down below. And if you're right, I'll send you all a t-shirt. If there are multiple people that are correct, I will draw a name. This will be one t-shirt that I'm giving away. But here's what's going on. I finished the front end, CV axles, front brakes, and wheel bearings. So I got all that done, took the car for a test drive, and I've got this new noise coming from the back. So I haven't looked into it yet. I'm going to do that now. But let me take you guys for a drive so you can hear exactly what I'm hearing. I'm going to throw this microphone in the back seat and turn this camera around, and we'll go for a drive. right, so that is what I have been hearing. Again, I got to pull it in, take a look around and see what is loose or what's going on in the rear, where that noise is coming from. But if you have an idea, leave it down in the comments below. And if you are correct, like I said, I'll send you a Garage USA t-shirt. And if I have multiple people that are correct, I will draw a name. But that will be in an upcoming video when I actually dive into this and see what it is. But I thought I would just put this out there now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brenke, and I'll see you next time.